Welcome to the HKU MBA channel. My name is Marilyn. Today, we will be meeting with our 2020 alumna Ariel Lai at her education center. Ariel will share of her experience and how the program helped in her career transition from corporate banking to an entrepreneur. In particular, she will discuss the challenges faced in launching her startup during a global pandemic. Thank you, Ariel, for joining us today. Can you tell us a bit about Learnovate Academy? What is the aim of your business?
The aim of our business is for kids to learn, to co-create, and to innovate. And through our STEM program, we hope that our kids could adopt the latest technology and science knowledge so that they can apply to this world and become problem solvers and learn a language earlier from the young age so that they can use the language and apply through team building and using their soft skills through their life.
What subjects did you find useful from the program that helped to lead you to your entrepreneurship?
Just to name a few, BusinessLab was a very core one. Another one is online business strategy. And I want to talk a bit more about BusinessLab because we actually incubated our first startup within the program while we were doing the module with Hong Kong U MBA. It has gotten me a lot of insights in terms of building our business model and putting our product into the market. And the best thing about the program is it has got us the fast pass going to Cyberport microfunds, and that's where we get all the knowledge about funding in the entrepreneurship markets.
So you were working while you were studying. How did you manage working full-time, studying part-time, and having a family?
I was a corporate banker, and I was able to manage my time well, and Hong Kong U's program allowed me to divide my time very well because the course is in the evening. I was able to be with my family on weekends, so I only have to spare 2 nights per week. And working with the team was one of the key that how we got through the program throughout. It's a lot of work, but as we build team synergy, everyone do their part, and it was easier for us as we build our team synergy and all the projects went well.
How have you found it, during COVID? Have you found it challenging, and how have you overcome those challenges?
We had to do a 180 degrees change from offline to hybrid mode and then fully to online. We haven't got a big team, there's only 1 or 2 of us. We haven't got the expertise in doing online learning or delivery methods. We had to learn everything from basics.
Let's say 3 advice that you would give to aspirants who are looking to do an MBA and to go down the path of becoming an entrepreneur.
To be an entrepreneur, you need to learn things very fast and adapt to changes very quickly. And one of the biggest things is people always want to plan things early on and make sure that their planning is executable before they go to the market. But I would say just kickstart with whatever you've got, learn things fast, and finally is leverage on all your networks.
It's been a pleasure having you with us today, Ariel. We wish you the very best in your future ventures.